Right, so the strategy with these questions is that we want to get a function for y in terms of x. So we want to get all our y terms on one side and all our x terms on the other. So we're just going to multiply through by dx. So we've got dy equals 3x dx. Okay, and so now we can actually take this as an integration question. Because if we integrate dy, you just get y. And if we integrate 3x dx, we're going to get 3x squared over 2 plus c. And we're there. So if you integrate, because here what we're dealing with is integral of dy is basically integral of 1 dy. And if I integrated 1, I would actually get y, yeah? And if I integrated 3x dx, well, that's 3x squared over 2. Alright, so let's deal with this next one. If I want to get all my y terms on one side, and my x terms on the other, so I'll have dy is equal to x dx over y, okay? And so I've just times through both sides by dx, and now I times through by y, I get y dy equals x dx. I integrate, okay, that's y squared over 2 equals x squared over 2 plus c. And you're more than welcome to leave it like that. If you want, I'm sure you can rearrange that equation, but it's not always necessary. Okay, so that strategy continues this whole thing. So the logical step that you want to do is get all your x terms on one side and all your y terms on the other, and have dy on that side and dx on the other side. Okay, so we're going to get we want to get this dx, so we always our first step always seems to be multiplying through by dx, because now the dx is over on the right hand side, okay? Now, at the moment I've got a 2x in front of the dy and a y in front of the dx, so I'm going to divide by 2x, so I'll get y over 2x dx, and I'm going to divide by y, so I get 1 over y dy equals 1 over 2x dx. Integrate these, okay? So integrating y, 1 over y is natural log of y. This is the same as a half integral 1 over x, so it actually ends up being 1 over 2 natural log of x plus c, okay? So we've got ourselves to there. That's our equation, and you're more than welcome to leave it just as that as well. Okay, so the strategy is each time get all your y terms on one side, all your x terms on the other, and then just integrate.